Stop wasting money on Facebook ads. Do these 7 things to 10x your Facebook ads results right now. One, the first thing you want to do is to capture attention, right? You want to spend 90% of your time when you're creating your ad, you want to spend 90% of your time on what happens in the first 3 seconds of your videos, right? It's very, very important, right? Because if you can't grab attention in the first 3 seconds, they're going to swipe past, guys, all right? Because most people, they are coming to Facebook, Instagram to watch your favorite skit makers, all right? Better things. So they are not coming to come and watch your ad. So your goal is to stop them from scrolling, all right? So that they can pay attention to whatever you are selling, right? Because if you don't stop their attention, they are not going to listen to you. They are just going to swipe. And once they swipe, nobody's going to buy. What you want to do is to stop reverting the wheel, all right? See, you are not Dangote, all right? You are not Elon Musk that will be testing different offers with. You don't have all the money in this world, all right? So how do you get what is going to work in your business? You look for people that are already running as your industry, and you try to replicate exactly what they are doing. Study their offers, study how they write their ads, study how they edit their videos, and do that, right? When you see their ad on Facebook or Instagram, click the ad, like it, comment on the ad, so that Facebook or Instagram is going to show you more of this kind of ad, right? So that you're going to understand what is working in your industry, right? And all you have to do is to steal like an artist, replicate what is already working, and you have an higher chance of getting good results with your ad instead of wasting money testing things you're not even sure of, trying to revert the wheel, right? So don't do that. The number 3 things is your Facebook ad metrics. Most people, they just run ads without looking at their Facebook ad metrics, which is very, very bad, right? So you want to look at your Facebook ad metrics. Look at what has worked for you in the last 6 months, in the last 3 months, right? Study what is working. Which of the videos is giving you attention, is grabbing attention, is giving you good unique click-through rate, it's giving you good clicks and all that, it's giving you sales, it's giving you lead. Study exactly how you do the videos, get a jotter down, write on what is working exactly, all right? Have list everything that is working in your video so that you can know exactly what is working for you, so that you can come up with more compelling creative you can use, all right, and get more results for your business. That is basically how you actually you do that, all right? Look at what is working for you and try to do more of this kind of stuff, all right? Let's say it's a video that did well for you. You can shoot a video again. Let's say I'm using this color now to shoot a video, and the video did well for me. I can decide to change this cloth or change the color and record the video again with the same script and use it, all right? So I'm more likely to get the same results for myself, or I can just decide to change my background or shoot outdoors or if you ever give someone else the script and shoot that same video for me, right? So you want to study what is working for you and try to replicate that result. And if you do this, I guarantee you that you are going to 10x your Facebook ad results this year. The 4th thing you want to do to 10x your Facebook ad results is to nurture your leads, right? You want to follow them up, all right? You want to nurture them and you want to close them. You don't just generate leads there. You want to be following up with leads. See, listen, I have leads that joined my funnel 6 months ago, 1 year ago, and they just buy recently, right? So you are not going to get leads today. You not see sales in the last 3 days, last 4 days that you're going to put. No, you keep nurturing your leads. You can use WhatsApp, you can communicate with them on your Facebook, you can be posting. The goal is for them to be seeing you every day, showing up every day, all right? And trust me, with time they're going to buy, all right? So following up is very, very important. So you don't just pay Facebook or run, you also need to nurture this lead and you follow up with them so that you're going to enhance your conversion and probably 10x your Facebook ads results. Now, the 5th thing you want to do to 10x your Facebook ad results is to stop using detailed targeting, all right? See, this is not 2021, all right, or 2019, where you have to go and look for buy interest and all that to look for interest to target, all right? Those are updated right now. Those time you are spending looking for interest to target, use that time to upgrade your offers, make your offers better. Use that time to be editing your videos. Use that time to come up with compelling hard copies, compelling headlines, things that are really going to move your business forward, right? So use broad targeting, and it's going to, and I guarantee you, it's going to give you the best results with your Facebook ad. The 6th thing you want to do to 10x your Facebook ad results is called social proof, right? See, you want to make sure that if you have social proof in your phone, I don't know why you just keep them in your gallery without posting them. If you have 365 proof, post at least one every day, right? You can post them on your Facebook, WhatsApp, emails, because most times, even on your website, because sometimes most people, they're not going, people that did not see it in your website, they might see it on your email, or they might see it in your Instagram or whatever, right? And just when people see social proof, they are going to be convinced that you really know what you are doing and you can really help them, right? And they are more likely to convert, right? And people take action when they see others taking action too, right? Social proof can be screenshots of customers' reviews, even payment of customers, or showing proof of people actually buying what you are offering, right? So we have different ways of social proof you can actually use to entice people to take action for your offer. Number 17, you need to do right now to tell us your Facebook ads results. I'm going to drop it down this video below. All right. Now, I trust you have gotten value from this video, and I am already out of time. But if you are ready to take your Facebook ad to the next level, I even have something bigger for you. I'm having an insane deal for my Facebook ad course right now. Right, normally it's cost 50,000 naira only, but at the start now you can go to my store and get it for just 30,000 naira at a discount price. All right, but if you don't want that, it's fine. All right, because I have tons of free valuable lessons right here on my YouTube channel. All right, so don't forget, share this video so that you're actually going to help more people. All right, peace.